privacy, and it just gives you options to back up your settings and to automatically restore information on apps that you install and reinstall. This is also where you reset the tablet to factory default. SD card and tablet storage. It gives you information on the external SD card and the internal, and also the tablet storage. Tells your total size available, and you can unmount the card if you want to take it out. And for the internal, you don't have an option to unmount because it's built into the tablet. If you want to format that, you can do so by tapping format and information on the internal tablet storage. I think this comes with a total of 2 gigs, and a few is used for the system. Search. Okay, when you first come in, it'll ask you to set some settings for search, Google search on the web. You can allow it to give you suggestions. You can allow it to use your location or not. And you can also personalize, ask it to show or don't show your personalized search history. And you can, here is where you could clear your search history. Okay, setting your text input information. You can select a different language. You could select your different input modes. I have swipe and Samsung keyboard on here. And if you want to set settings for swipe, you do it here, and for the keyboard, you do it here. You can set the language, word prediction, which will predict word while you're typing. You can turn it on and off. You can set the vibrate on key press or not. You can enable or disable the tip indicator. Auto spacing. Same thing with auto capitalization. And trace. When you're doing Skype, it does a trace. You can have that do a complete trace of what you're doing. Word choice, and you can choose your speed versus accuracy, how quickly you want Skype to respond, and the faster it's set, the more error tolerance it is. And there's also a nice little tutorial on how to use Skype. Okay, voice input and output. Voice recognition settings. This is the settings for when you speak for like a destination, or you speak for a voice. You can set the language. You can set safe search. You can block offensive words, and you can have it show you hints. On the text to speech settings, this is where the tablet is able to read a document out loud to you. Okay, accessibility. Okay, this is for special applications that helps you if you can't see good or need other assistance using a tablet. Date and time. Okay, you can set it to automatically set the time based on the network you're in. I always do that. You can change the format from 24-hour to regular 12 hours, and you can also set the date format. Okay, and for the last one about the tablet, okay, it lists your status information. If I tap here, you would see my signal, my phone number. You can also see battery use. You can see what application or what aspect of the tablet is using most of the battery. Here you can see it's the display. Legal information. There's a small tutorial on how to use the tablet. And here's firmware and model number of this device. That's it.